Make a chain of the preferred length. Skip the first 6 chains from the hook. Insert the hook in the 7th chain under the back loop and work 1/2 closed half double crochet stitch. Work 1 more half closed half double crochet stitch inserting the hook under the back loop of the next stitch. Work the 3rd half closed half double crochet stitch inserting the hook under the back loop of the 3rd stitch. Catch the yarn and pull it back through all loops on your hook. Repeat the preceding steps. Chain 2 stitches among the groups.